Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. Mike Posner. I think you recognize that name. That's the guy who took a pill in Ibiza. And yes, this time he does the song called Is It Just Me? And he's all over the place in this song. He's in the mountains, in the bathtub, in his living room, in the atmosphere, everywhere if you watch the music video. A fun one. So let's look at that and go into the song to handle it. So we're going to use a capo, place that on the second fret, and we're ready for these 4 chords that rolls in the same way through the entire song. Very easy chords as well, so that's the reason of the capo on second. Now let's go over the chords, starting with E minor. And it goes open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. G next, and that will be third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. We have D coming up, and that will be open D, second G, third B, and second E. And the final chord is A. And that goes open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. Okay, so there we have the chord progression, and we have this melody going on in the intro. It's also played later in the song with a little bit slight variations later on. I'm gonna learn you how to play the intro, and that is very close to how it sounds in the rest of the song as well. So I think that is enough of that melody. So we're gonna look at that chord by chord, starting with the E minor part, and it goes like this. So you're going to play open E in the bass, then open B, open G, and third B. Next chord is the G, and it goes like this. So that is to play third frets on the E string in the bass, then open D, open G, and third B. Then we have the D part, and it goes like this. So you're going to play fifth on E, fifth on A, fourth on G, and here in the last note you have 2 variations to go for. Either you go with the open D or the third fret B string. That's the D note anyway, so in both ways you're going to play the D note, either go with the third B or the open D. So I would go with the third B because that is the ending of all of the chords, the previous chords before the D. And then finally we have the A, and it goes like this. So that is to play open A, open D, second D, and open D. That is one melody round. So I played 2 rounds for you because I slipped on the G chord, so I have to play 1 extra round to repair it. Anyway, I think you understand that's the melody. Now let's go into strumming, and it's very, very easy, guys. If you grab the first chord, E minor, 1 string around will be down, down, clap, down. So 2 downs, 1 clap, and 1 down, like this. That is 1 round. And a couple of rounds goes like this. So I'm gonna play 2 of these per chord in the same order. So E minor 2, G2, D2, A2, till the very end, like this. Alright guys, so that is how I handle a song from Mike Posner. Is it just me? And that's a good question. Is it just me who thinks guitar playing is the most beautiful thing in the world? Maybe not. I hope so. Hope you enjoyed as well in this tutorial. And if you do, then make sure you like this one and show me some love back. Thank you for support, guys. Until next time, play tuned.